All right, so Founder Peeps is back and better with their own platform. They had an issue with Meta Quotes. I think the contract has been terminated, so they came back with their own platform. So I'm going to show you how you're going to use how to install the platform on your mobile phone because it's not available on the App Store. So what I want to do is you head on to Google Chrome and I'm already logged on in. Once you head on to Google Chrome, you log in your details as usual. Then you click on dashboard. You see your credential. You click on credential. It's going to show you your password and all those cool stuff. What you want to do is copy your password. Then you click on start trading. So when you click on start trading, it will take you to a new kind of a new page. Then it asks you to put in your email. Once you put in your email, that password you copied, you paste in that password, then you log in. Then to bring you to those place where I'm currently am now, the chat here. So this is my live account, the 5K account. So you could select your symbols, all symbols, crypto, FX, indices, and popular. So I trade commodities and indices. So the chart is very simple. Let me click on an instrument. You're going to display. So there's a bar up there. You have a full grown chart there. It's as simple as this. All right. So the one way, let's say you want to install this on your mobile phone. You click on the right top corner, the three dots there, and give you an option. You see open Founder Pips. So I have the app on my phone. That is why you could see open Founder Pips. Initially, it was saying install Founder Pips. So since I already installed it, I just go ahead and click on it. But if you haven't installed it, you just click on the same button as well. So take me down into the application. So it's same interface as on the web. So very simple. So you could just play around, take your time um, to learn how to use it. So this is what it is. So yeah, it's very simple to use. All right, Wonder Peeps is back.